Hello, today's topic? At the beach resort.
Isn't this beach resort beautiful?
Yes, it's absolutely stunning.
I love the white sand and clear water.
It's like paradise, isn't it?
Definitely. I feel so relaxed here.
Me too, it's so peaceful.
Do you want to go for a swim?
Yes, let's take a dip in the ocean.
Don't forget your sunscreen.
Good point. I'll put some on now.
Do you want to build a sandcastle?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
Let's gather some buckets and shovels.
I'll grab them from the beach hut.
Great, I'll start shaping the castle.
Look at this seashell I found.
It's so pretty. Let's add it to our castle.
Do you want to grab some snacks?
Yes, I could go for an ice cream.
I'll get us some from the beach bar.
Thanks, that's so thoughtful.
No problem, I love treating you.
Let's find a spot to enjoy our snacks.
How about under that palm tree?
Perfect, it'll provide some shade.
This ice cream is delicious.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I'm having such a wonderful time here.
Me too, it's a dream come true.
Let's make the most of our day.
Absolutely, let's cherish every moment.
Vocabulary.
Beach. Resort. Beautiful. Stunning. White. Sand. Clear. Water. Paradise. Relax. Swim. Sunscreen. Sandcastle. Fun. Bucket. Shovel. Seashell. Snack. Palm tree. Delicious.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.